Hello everybody, it's Ian Robinson here from Mortgage Choice on the Sunshine Coast. I hope you're well. We're going to get straight into our next series on our Monday Madness videos, and this week we're going to be covering a topic of offset accounts versus redraws. Now, it's important as a consumer that you get your head around a few different product features and product scenarios so that you can be able to choose the correct home loan for you going forward. And it puts you in a better position so that you know what you're doing and how things can absolutely improve your circumstances. Let's first talk about offset accounts. Now, offset accounts are provided by many lenders, and it's just like a savings account that sits beside your home loan. It's obviously with the same lender as you have your home loan with. So with an offset account, it's exactly that. It is offset against your home loan. So let's use an example where you might have a home loan of $400,000 and you might have $50,000 sitting in an offset account. Now, that offset account is a normal transaction account where you can use it at the hole in the wall or at the supermarket or to buy petrol or whatever. So let's say there's $50,000 sitting in there. Normally what the bank would do on your home loan is every day they calculate interest based on the balance, which was $400,000. But because you've got $50,000 sitting in your offset account, they only then calculate the interest on $350,000. You still make the same mortgage payment, but of course you're getting further in front because you're not paying $50,000 worth of interest. Now, offset accounts usually come with a bit of a fee, a yearly fee, anywhere from $200 to $400 under what's called a professional package. So they can be a little bit dearer, but they are very, very flexible, and they're great for people who have a lot of money floating around. The other option to access funds, of course, is by use of a redraw. Now, redraw is a little bit cheaper of an option. It's a little bit less flexible because usually redraws are done online and you have to wait for the money to transfer, and you don't get cards to access anything on the spur of the moment. But with a redraw, for example, say your home loan repayment is $2,000 a month and you're putting away $3,000 a month into that home loan, then you're getting in front by $1,000 every month, and that money becomes advanced funds. So you can redraw that money for any purpose you want to use it for later on within the process. So if you've got to put a pool in or pay for children's education and you're far enough in front on your home loan to be able to redraw some money back out, then you can do that. And it usually costs nothing to do. Redraws, as I said, are a little bit less flexible, so you have to allow a little bit of time for funds to transfer over. So that's the difference between the two. Offset accounts are pretty much for those people who have more money to float around. Redraws for those people who are chipping away at the home loan and might want to just have some money in advance for emergencies going forward and be able to access that. Look, if you've got any questions at all on redraws or offset accounts, then our offices are always open in Noosaville and in Currimundi. So just give us a buzz or PM us on Facebook, and we'll come back to you. Thanks, and bye for now.